Hi all, welcome to another video. Today I am going to report my philodendron Birkin as my plant is losing leaves and turning yellow. This is my first variegated philodendron plant. I got it from Costco. Let's start by slowly removing the plant from the pot. We want to check the root first to identify the issue. So it looks like the soil is moist. That means it is having root rot. Root rot is not good for the plant. That's the reason the plant is losing the leaves and it's turning yellow. I try to remove as much as moist soil and rotten roots, and today I am going to separate my plants and repot into different pots. Put two of the healthy plants in a clear pot and another one I am going to chop and propagate. For repotting, use a pot that is 2 inches wider than the root ball. Using the clear pot is my new favorite plant care tip. You can watch the root health and avoid overwatering. So add a layer of soil. I am using a chunkysoilmix. Place the plant in the center of the pot, then fill up the pot with the rest of the medium. And this is how the plant after repotting. And moving on to the next plant, I'm going to chop it with a sterilized pruner. Make sure you sterilize it before you prune and chop off the rotten roots. We don't need any unhealthy roots, so chop it off. It will grow back again with proper care. And same here, I'm using a clear pot. This is a 2-inch clear pot. I got it from Amazon, so I can watch the root growth. So add the medium to the bottom of the pot. Keep the plant in the center of the pot and fill it up with the rest of the potting mix. The second plant is all potted up. To propagate the top cut, I am using my favorite propagation medium, moss with cocoa chips and phloestratum, as it promotes faster root growth. So pick a container. Before that, sterilize it with the hydrogen peroxide solution to prevent root rot. For propagation, use the smallest pot, for faster root growth. Add the medium, place the cutting and fill it up with the rest of the propagation medium. Keep the propagation medium moist. Don't allow it to dry out. If it is dried, your plant won't grow roots. After repotting, water your plants thoroughly until it drains through the drainage hole of the pot. And finally, keep your plants under bright indirect light. As it is a variegated plant, it needs more light. And I hope you find this video useful. If you find it useful, please do share and like. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Have a great day, and if you have any doubts, please do comment below. Thank you.